Shh, Matilda, I'm trying to do a video. Hey everyone, and welcome to a New Year's giveaway. It was gonna be a holiday giveaway, but some things happened with that last video. Lessons learned. Anyway, what we're gonna do instead is for New Year's, we're gonna be giving away 3 different prizes. For our first prize, we're gonna be giving away the Terminator T-800 exoskeleton. This guy's actually pretty hard to build, and we're also gonna give a little bender tool to kind of help you out with that. For second place, we're going to be giving a bender tool away again, as well as the Naoe Kanetsugu Samurai Armor, a really awesome build. I've covered it on the channel. Check out the video if you haven't already. And finally, for our third place winner, we're going to be giving away the Bender 1.0 tool. Very awesome. All 3 prizes will be given away on our channel. Now, how do you get into this little contest? It's actually extremely easy. All you gotta do is go down to the comment section down here and let me know what you want to see on the channel in the future. And that's it. That's your ticket to the contest. Then on New Year's, I'm gonna put a video out showing the 3 winners. Once you do win, all you have to do is reach out to me on Instagram. We'll verify everything up and we'll get your prizes to you. Good luck to everyone. And of course, Happy New Year.